If you are still paying $20 to use ChatGPT-4, you have landed to the right video, because I'm going to show you how you can use it for absolutely free and save $10 for something else. My name is Adivin. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and anyway, let's make some money. Now let's just go and show you how you can get ChatGPT-4 for absolutely free. So the app that we are going to use that is going to give us ChatGPT-4 for free is called Bing or Bing web browser. So if you're using a PC, go on and save the extension on your PC, or if you're using a mobile phone like me, just go on and download the app. It's called Bing. Now after installing the app in your phone, just go on and open the app. So when you open the app, just go down there, you have news, home, then Copilot. Just click on Copilot. So when you reach here, all you have to do is just turn on use ChatGPT-4. So as you can see here, turn on ChatGPT-4 like that, so you can ask me anything. So we can tell this Copilot, because it's going to use ChatGPT-4 to do anything that you need. So when in ChatGPT-4, the paid version, you can do it right over here for absolutely free. What you have to do is to just paste anything that you want right over here. So remember that to get the best results out of this AI is about your ability to ask questions. So let me try this. Let me go on and paste something right here. So we are going to tell it to create an image of a young Chinese woman around 18 years old, wearing a stylish purple hoodie. She has a radiant smile on her face, gently touching her rosy cheeks with both hands, her long sleeve, black hairs, whatever. So you can go through. So after that, tell it to create. So I will try to create that. So it's going to create that. So let's wait and see. It's going to create. So after the image has been created, you can see right there in the left corner and the bottom. So boom, it has created the images. So as you can see, the images are very nice. So let us click into one and we see closely how it looks. So let me click in this. Let me open this. So you can even add some cherry blossom trees in the garden. So as you can see, so they have created that. So if you need that image, you just have to come here in the top corner, right top corner, just click download, and boom, you have the image downloaded on your phone. So if not so, just click in the image and hold, so the image will download automatically into your gallery. So here we can even change the appearance of the image. So you can see right over here, we are in the original, we have pixel art. When you click in pixel art, the image is going to shift to another formation or whatever. So it's recreating this image. So let us recreate this image and see. So it's powered by Dell E3. You can see down there. So for you who are used with ChatGPT-4, I think you know that ChatGPT-4 uses Dell E3. So you see it has generated the image like that. So if you don't like that, you can just go back. You can just go back, or you can click on undo. We go back. We have this one. It's called we have watercolor. You can change to any style you want, because you have watercolor right over here. We have block print, we have steampunk, we have clay motion. So let us just use this one. Let's try this. Let's try that. It has created that. So if you want that, you just go on and click on it. Looks good, and download that image directly into your phone. So let's go back. Let's go back. We can try another style. So you can download it. Let us try claymation. Let's try that. Are you seeing? I think this looks pretty well. It looks pretty good. So if you want that, you just click on looks good. When you click on looks good, you just have to click right over here and download the image directly into your mobile phone. So you just have to click there. Just have to click there, and the image, you can see it's downloading, and it has downloaded into your phone. Let's go back and see what you can do with ChatGPT with this app. So when you come here on the main menu, you can see that we have Explore AI, try 100 plus AI prompts. So when you click here, just click in that. Let us see different images. So we can try the 3D avatar for social media, the magical moments. We have horseback in all plain mirrors. We have Parisian romance, ice warrior, Hollywood superstar. You can generate romantic sunset portrait. You can generate 3D profession avatar. You can generate something like city tour or self-portraits. You can generate Ferris wheel love stories. You can all generate those things right over here in this app. So it has got all the ChatGPT-4 Plus and ChatGPT-4. So what you have to do, let us test one by one. So let us begin with 3D avatar for social media. So click in that. So when you click in that, you have 3D avatar for social media. Pick your social media channel. If you want to post on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or X, Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, so whatever. So you just have to describe. You just have to describe your image, young male with hot black hair, black eyes, wearing what and what, whatever you want, and click on generate. Wait, and boom, it has created that because we chose Instagram. So if you don't like the image, you just have to click on regenerate and it regenerates. So we can see those. So let's go back and test another feature. Let's go back, and so we are right over here. So we can go on and click on and check on magical moments. So younger female with long length, curly purple hair and red eyes. So let's generate. That has been generated. Those are magical moments. So it's based on your description. So you can change the prompt as you like. So I think you have found value in this video. Go on and subscribe to the channel, like, comment. See you in